In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Framer. Before we jump in, make sure you already have your Framer project open and you're in the canvas view where you want your GIF to appear. You should also have your GIF file ready on your computer, or know where to drag it from if it's saved somewhere accessible. To get started, look towards the top of the Framer interface and find the Insert option. This is usually where you add any new element to your project, like frames, text, images, and in our case, GIFs. Go ahead and click on Insert. When you do this, Framer will open a panel or menu that shows different categories of elements you can add to your design. Inside this menu, look for the Media category. Media is where Framer groups everything related to images, videos, and other visual assets. Click on Media to expand it. This tells Framer that you want to work with visual files instead of basic shapes or interactive components. Taking a second to get familiar with this media section can really speed up your workflow later, because this is where you'll come back anytime you want to add more graphics or animations. Once you've opened the media section, you should see an option specifically labeled GIF drag and drop, or something very close to that. This is the tool designed for adding animated GIFs directly into your project. Click on GIF drag and drop to activate it. After selecting it, Framer will prompt you to bring in your GIF file. Now, simply drag your GIF file from your computer into the Framer canvas, or into the indicated drop area if one appears. When you drop the file, Framer will upload it and place it on your canvas as an element that you can move, resize, and position just like any other layer. If the GIF comes in too large or too small, use the handles around it to adjust the size, and move it to the exact spot where you want it to appear in your layout. Once it's in place, preview your project to make sure the GIF is animating correctly and looks good within your overall design. That's all you need to do to add a GIF in Framer.